Buddy, it's me Ryan here at Brick Fair, and I'm just gonna show you everyone.
Hi guys, I'm Tyler, Lego Man 1234597.
Ross, MGF Customs and
Thank
Reviews.
you, Ryan.
111 Lego is 111 from YouTube. JPO97 from YouTube.
I'm Pexas Films, I'm better than Jacob. Legomatic 9 from YouTube and Flickr.
Lego Sven.
Brick Central from YouTube.
Sage from Flickr.
Brick Chick from the Brick Central.
Customs from Flickr.
Pugnacious Dan from YouTube.
Brick Charge, Flickr, person.
Josh from the Brick Central.
Hi, Billy Mays here. Hey.
Billy Mays from the other side.
Hey.
Andy Sullivan here.
Yeah.
Tim Ken 2904 from YouTube.
Shout out to Lego Bob 35 on YouTube. Check him out.
So lots of great mocks, as you can see. And then as we work our way down to Lego Bob's mock, we're having an issue.
Is that Lego Bob's mock?
He seems to have come and gone.
Wow, that looks like you put a lot of effort into it.
He just threw some pieces on a table and called it a day. So he's living the YOLO life.
Hey, all you idiots. Lego Bob's over here. Come on.
Here's what he looks like before. Yeah.
What are we doing? I'm getting movie tickets.
Does anybody else have any other Sharpies? I guess we're gonna go for okay, everybody.
Wait, there's one right there, but I don't know whose that is.
Oh, I can borrow it real quick.
There's a lot, dude. There's a lot.
That was a bad thing. That was a good idea.
Okay. 10 is gonna
Gold,
work well.
Mr. Gold.
Okay. Hold this for me. Okay, so it's everyone. Does everybody have your notebooks out? Because I'm gonna show you how to custom a clone. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So we're gonna do urban coloring first. We're gonna do from hip to shoulder. You just make a line.
Doesn't work.
And then you do it. We're doing bandoliers. Okay, then you gotta color in these things here, and you gotta accentuate these.
Give him a gold visor.
You don't want him to. It looks. Yeah, look at that. Look how cool that looks.
Gold spin, maybe? I don't know.
Now I want to put some really cool things on his arms. Like that. And we're gonna just do the legs.
Wait, we need a little touch up.
Yeah, let's put some gold on there. Now let's color in his visor right here. That's his visor. I want another. This is actually Commander Pimp Daddy. I'm working with. Yeah, Commander Pimp Daddy here. Okay, so once you've completed this clone.
You know a kid named Jeff?
No.
Okay, here we go. And I think that's about it.
Alright, great.
We just finished the clone.
What's the estimate?
Now, that's
sale price?
on average, it'll retail between $20 and $35, depending. In Canada, it'll actually be it'll be 40.
Minifigs for you, Marco.
It's convention exclusive though. So
Wait, did you tell JPO about your new charity?
Oh yeah, my charity is called Minifigs for Me, in which I donate. In which I go up to his booth and I say, "Give me 20 of each type of your clones, so I can give the kids who don't have money."
do you have the MinifigureReviewer logo on your computer? Get it. Man, Jesse, make us a logo.
$800. What a steal. Alright, this is Lego Bob. And he's waving the piece.
Hey,
We're at Chick-fil-A.
eat your vegetables.
His face. Wave it. No, they're coming in.
Celebrity
Okay, so we're off to see the line. I'm here with Lego Bob. That's the first time his face is ever going to be shown.
Yeah, and this is the last time, because it looks like dog face. That's right.
Okay, so we're out to see the line. It's about, this place opens in about 10 minutes. It's 10:49. And I expect the line to either be wrapping around the building. Yeah, all the way around.
When everybody walks out,
Hey, we waited a long time, huh?
These people have been here 2 hours at least.
I've been here for the last 2 days.
I've been waiting 2 days for this.
I've been inside.
Okay, we'll fast forward this. Is it upside down?
We don't know if it's upside down or not. This is scary.
I'm scared. Double layered. The moment of truth.
Oh, I'm scared.
I'll do that.
Is it upside down?
No, it's not.
No.
Yeah.
Boo.
Safe.
Have an open house here in his car where he's gonna have his mock. He's gonna tell us all about it.
You're really gonna do that right now?
It comes apart. I don't know. He does stuff. Wait, did you bring figures?
No.